Hello, Peter Van, the DF guy, here with our DF-EZN1 nitrofuser, nitrogen plastic welder with its built-in nitrogen generator. And today we're looking at repairing blade tabs. You know what I'm talking about, that straight piece of plastic that comes out of the trim panel, the rocker molding, the fender flare, and it has this little clip that goes around it, and that slides into a slot. You pop the trim panel or the rocker molding or the fender flare off, and this is stuck in the side of the car, and the little piece of plastic it attaches to is still in it. There's nothing there. No way to reattach this. Now that part's going in the trash. Well, let me show you how you can fix those little blade tabs quickly, cleanly, and easily with the DF-EZN1 nitrofuser nitrogen plastic welding system. Okay, so we've got our trim panel. You can see where the blade tab used to be. Here's the clip that went over it. We've taken the old piece of plastic, which was just part of it, out of there. And we're going to create a new blade tab. This panel was already really clean because it's an internal panel, but if it's dirty, clean it with soap and water. So basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of our 15mm rod. I'm just going to weld it on as a surface weld, take it right to where I want it. And I'm going to work my angle here so it's nice and sharp so it stays upright. And we're going to cut it to the height we need it to be. Now in this case, the top had a little bit of a radius to the edges. So we'll use the airless welder to curve it out a little bit. Now the next thing I'm going to do is flatten out my weld area. Again, blowing the nitrogen underneath the pad, I'll use the airless. Slide your clip down on it. You're ready to reinstall the part. Another trim panel saved with the quick, easy, clean repair with the DF-EZN1 nitrofuser nitrogen plastic welder from DF.